This is a room tour of the Crockford. This is a Superior King with a strip view. Today is June 10th of 2025. I booked this room through the Hilton portal with a summer program for about $250, and they give you a $75 credit. I am a Diamond member, so I also get a $50 credit as a Diamond member for the stay. The check-in process and the check-in lobby and everything about the Crockford was very, very impressive. You have a dedicated check-in, a dedicated lobby. They even have a dedicated entrance to the Resort World in Vegas for just Crockford guests, and it's all separate. It's a very strange Vegas experience because it's very quiet and it's almost no one. And the lobby and the elevators are just exclusive elevators for Crockford people, so you don't have to share the elevators with almost anyone. And so it's a very strange and very luxurious Vegas experience. I very much liked it and I was very impressed. It's hard to, if you like this kind of thing and you don't like the crowdness of Vegas, I think from now on, unless I have something that really changes my view, I think this is the way I'm gonna go. The lobby and everything is very, very polished, very, very nice and impressive. They only have one sink, which is it's a bit strange, but apart from that, everything is marble and very, very luxurious. A big mirror here, which I always like, and it's right on the front of the bathroom, which you can really utilize efficiently. They have an espresso machine here. This is the mini bar, fully stocked. And then it looks like they also have a fridge next to it, which is actually nice for a luxurious hotel to offer you a fridge. It's actually very nice. This is, before I show you the view, one thing that I've never had in a hotel before is have a massager here for you, which is very, very impressive. This is in Resorts World. Resorts World is very new. It's opened in 2021. It has the Hilton, the Crockford, and the Conrad all on the same two buildings. And the Crockford only has the top 6 floors of the building, so it's very exclusive. I have a strip view and it's fantastic. You can see the whole strip and even the mountains on the distance. The anchor and the wind are kind of covering the sphere, and I think that's going to be the case no matter where you are. I'm kind of on one of the in one of the late the rooms that are kind of the end, so I don't think they have rooms that you can see the sphere clearly, but maybe I'm wrong. In any case, I see half of the sphere. But other than that, this view is fantastic. I like that there's the drapes open all the way, and I like that they put the here the lounge right next to it, so you can sit down and enjoy the view. So overall, I am very, very impressed with the Crockford so far. The experience is very different to what you get in any other Vegas hotel. I want to show you kind of a little bit of the pool over there. They have 6 pools, and that pool with the red awnings and the red cabanas is an exclusive pool for just the people at Crockford. So you see that's very, very almost no one there. So if you like this kind of thing, if you like exclusivity, luxury, most importantly, you like to be kind of on your own and not have the kind of the busy Vegas thing, I think this is a great option for you.